Movie starts and we see a girl whose name was Jenny. She attends her class. After coming back to home, she spends some of her time with her parents. Then she goes for attending her music class. There, Jenny meets with a boy who was interested in her. Suddenly, rain starts. When she was waiting for bus at the bus stop, then a car comes and stops near to her. The man in the car offers her lift that she accepts happily. But first she gives him some musical instruments for putting in the car. After some time she also sits in the car with the man. She was very happy and enjoys David's company. David drops Jenny to her home. Jenny plays music and does practice of singing music. Jenny's school friend comes to meet with her at her home. When Jenny comes outside her home with her parents, she gets very surprised after seeing flowers. Actually, David sends flowers for her. Next day, when Jenny was coming back from school, she sees David, who comes to meet with her. Jenny says thanks to him for flowers. David says Jenny to meet with him on Friday evening. She agrees. On Friday, when David comes to take Jenny, he meets with her parents. Jenny's father allows her to go with David. They both were very excited. Jenny meets with David's friends. Jenny and David look at each other with lovely feelings. They attend concert. After that, they all do dinner in a super hotel. They invite Jenny to go for art exhibition. She accepts happily. Next day, when David comes to take Jenny from school, then they go to see paintings of famous painter. After this, they all go to Jenny's home and talk about going to Oxford next week. They all were very happy. Jenny sees David, who was spending time with her parents. David says to Jenny's father that he wants to take Jenny with him to Oxford. First, he refuses, but after some time, he shows willingness. In Oxford, Jenny gets to know that David does some illegal work for earning money. First, she gets very upset, but then she tries to understand herself because now she loved David very much. When they were coming back, then first time they kiss each other in the car. One night on Jenny's birthday, David comes to Jenny's home with many gifts for her. He says to Jenny's father that he wants to take Jenny to Paris. Jenny's father allows her to go with him. They were very happy. They make pictures, spend a lot of their time together, even they spend night in one room, where first time they come very close to each other, then they make fun. After coming back from there, Jenny gives perfume to her teacher, but she refuses for taking it. Actually, she knows about relation of Jenny and David. One day they all come to party where Jenny does dance with David's friend. That night David says to Jenny that he wants to marry with her. Jenny accepts his proposal. Next morning, Jenny shows her ring to her class fellows for telling them that she is in relation with a man. Because of that, disturbance create in the class. On this, principal calls Jenny. She misbehaves with her principal and decides to leave the school. she again goes to meet with David. They talk a lot and enjoy each other's company. David invites Jenny and her parents for dinner. They all get ready, and when they were going for dinner, then on the way Jenny gets to know about reality of David because of some letters in the car. Actually, David was married. She says David to go back. He tries to convince her, but she does not listen to him. Next day, she goes to meet with David's friends and says them that why you did not tell me about reality of David. After this, she goes to meet with David's wife, where she gets to know that he has a son. She gets very upset, and now she was in depression. Because of that, sometimes she talks with her parents in anger. One day, when her father comes to talk with her, she does not open the door. Because of that, her father gets very worried about her. She cries and weeps a lot by remembering David. She goes to meet with her principal, and after this, she visits her teacher because now she wants to continue her study. She tries to forget David by spending most of her time with her school friend. She studied all the time in home for changing her mind. One morning, she comes to school with her school friend and she was looking very happy. Here movie ends. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe for watching more videos like this.